My new name is Knees Over Guy. So you might need to participate.
I might need to participate. Okay.
A freak in the sheets.
Well, hey, it's Kiss and Tell with Javi Mac. Interviews from the chair. I'm with Brittany Andrews right now, and her on my ear.
Well, I just feel like since you're sitting down, I should be on your lap. But if I'm not on your lap, then I better have my face, right? Because why else would you be sitting down?
It's the best height. This is perfect height.
Are you having like knee problems? Any medical issues?
Maybe you want to check. You want to do a little massage.
You know what? We could talk about our medical issues because I've had knee surgery myself.
Oh, really?
Do you need any help?
I have knee problems. I have a problem between both knees. I might need a checkup.
You know what? You know who's the best for knee problems? And
Who?
He's like a celebrity guy that's on YouTube, and he really is amazing. His name is Knees Over Toes Guy.
Okay.
And I swear to God, like from a that spent half of her life on her knees. I've been in the business for 35 years, so I've been on my knees a lot.
Wow.
There's been some damage and tear. The Knees Over Toes Guy is the guy to really help out if you are having problems with your knees. I didn't know that you did gay.
Oh, no. Whoa. No, actually.
Knee problems. I mean, I know how I got my knee problems. I just assumed. Did I?
No. So I know you have Knees Over Toes Guy.
Yeah.
My new name is Knees Over Guy.
Oh,
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. So you might need to participate.
I might need to participate. Okay. Well, I got bad knees, though. I can't.
Oh, whatever. We'll figure it out. You've been
right.
busted before. It's not going to be your first.
Before, exactly. In more ways than one. Hey, now.
Hey, opa. All right, thanks for joining in, guys. It's Javi Mac.
He's also got his hair in a ponytail, which makes me just want to... Sorry.
Oh, my God.
Good time here on the red carpet. X-Biz 2026, bitches. Woo!
Woo!